step by step, a 900 technical tips and tricks. Step by step, a NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. Step by step, a NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. The NASDAQ 100 is clearly in a rising channel. Pay attention to the red channel on my charts. Okay, we have a red channel here. The price is going up within that red channel. I'm going to place a vertical line on my chart. This vertical line here. Okay, we can see that the black vertical line. At this point in time, okay, exactly. All right, in June 2014, the bullish momentum became very, very strong, and the price went above the rising channel. So one thing I need to clarify with traders, talking about step-by-step, NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. So when we have a rising channel, I'm drawing on my chart a rising channel, and I'm going to place a media line of that channel. Okay, how do we, okay, analyze, okay, a price in a rising channel? Okay, pay attention carefully. So when we have a rising channel, if the price is within the rising channel, we will say that the bullish momentum is intact. Next thing, if the price, okay, is in a rising channel but is riding the upper side of the channel, which means between the upper level and the median line, if the price is within the rising channel but is confined between the upper line and the median line, we will say that the bullish momentum is very, okay, strong. All right, so if the price is in the rising channel, we see bullish momentum is strong or market sentiment is bullish. But if the price is riding the upper side of the rising channel, we'll see that that bullish momentum is strong. The bullish momentum will become very, very strong, all right, very dynamic. So we may say that if the price comes out of, okay, the rising channel and went above the rising channel, we may say that we have a dynamic bullish financial instrument, which means it's quite bullish. It goes above the rising channel, it becomes dynamic. Okay, so when I place my vertical line here, okay, the S&P, the NASDAQ 100, okay, became very, very bullish, okay, from okay, June 2014. So if you can see that it went above, okay, the rising channel. What has happened recently, we have a mini, okay, all right, correction here, or a pullback. Price went down 1, 2, 3. All right, so this is a pullback, okay, within a rising channel. All right, but as the price pullbacks a bit, now it's now again above, okay, the rising channel. Look carefully. This is the top of our rising channel, the red channel. The price pulled back 1, 2, 3, but it's now back above, okay, the median line. So what has happened before? Anytime the price goes above the top of the red channel, it will go up to this blue line here. Okay, pay attention. Anytime the NASDAQ 100 goes above the red channel, it usually rises, okay, up to this blue line here, the blue trend line here. I don't want to move my lines, which I've started doing now. See this blue line is the projection of this median line, so the distance. So what we do is about market geometry. You can see here the distance between the upper side of the red channel and the median line, that's distance. We project it on top. So anytime the NASDAQ 100 goes above the red channel, it can go up to the edge of this blue line. Now, I'm not going to repeat myself again because I've already said it 100 times. So that's it. So we are again above the median line, above, okay, the red channel. We are again above the red rising channel on my chart. The market will, as it did before, we prefer to push the NASDAQ 100 up to the edge of this blue line on my chart, which is the projection of half of the red channel. Am I making sense to you? Anytime the price goes above the red channel, there's a high chance that the price may go up to the blue line, which is the projection of half of our red channel. So now the price is above, okay, the red channel. There is a high chance that the market will prefer to push it all the way up here. Now, when we are saying that the price will go up, the next thing that will come into our mind is that where are the resistance level? Okay, for the price to go up, it must break previous resistance ahead. So as I'm saying to you now, that the S&P, the NASDAQ, what am I saying? I'm talking about NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100, not S&P 500. Correction, NASDAQ 100. Ignore S&P 500. So, for the NASDAQ 100 to go up, it must break resistance ahead. Where are the resistance levels? So here, let's zoom into this, okay, I'm on the, okay, weekly chart of the NASDAQ 100 index. We want to draw the resistance level. So price went down and changed direction here. This is a resistance level, yes or no? So I place one resistance line on my chart. Okay, this one here. Which color should I use? I'll use orange now. Okay, so you pay attention to the orange line. Those are the resistance level that we must watch. But the price, you can see it went above that resistance level. Okay, where is the next resistance level? There's another one here. You see here, price went up and changed direction here. On my weekly chart, we have another resistance level. That's where the S&P 500 did close on Friday. The level of 4548 is the current resistance level that we must watch. So for the for the NASDAQ 100 to continue the bullish progression, it must break above 4548, break above, retest, and turn around. So we will say to trader, priority to bullish signal above 4548 and priority to bearish signal below 4548. So we are ready to buy and we are ready to sell, because though the price is in a rising channel and it is also above the red channel, it's now at a resistance level on the weekly chart. For the bullish momentum to continue, the price must break resistance ahead. And we have a resistance right in front of us at 4548. So bullish trader must wait for the price to go above 4548, or we want to look for bullish chart pattern, price displaying higher lows, higher high, above 4548, and we use the top-down trading method to trade above 4548. On the contrary, because we are ready to buy and we are ready to sell, if we find a resistance at 4548, we will sell, and we must pay attention to the top of the red channel. This is about a step-by-step NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. All right? Let's look ahead again. We are looking for resistance level. Here again, price went up and changed direction. We have again another resistance here. I want to know where are the resistance level when we are in a rising channel. I want to know where are the support level if I'm in a declining channel. I want to know where is the median line for my horizontal channel. So there is another resistance here at 4662. Okay? And the last resistance level is 4739. Talking about step-by-step NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks, it looks to us that for the NASDAQ 100 to continue its bullish trend, it must break, okay, few resistance levels step by step. First resistance that we are watching now, 4548. Next resistance that the NASDAQ 100 must break is 4662. And the last resistance that it must break is 4739. The price is now above the red channel. There's a high channel the price will try to retest. Okay, the blue trend line above this level here. Will it reach that level? We are now at the resistance level. Priority to bullish signal above 4548 and priority to bearish signal below 4548. In all cases, we are looking first for a trading setup, either day trading setup or swing trading setup, all right? Once we identify a valid trading setup, okay, we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. If we do not find a high probability trading setup, we can decide not to trade at all. We do not have to trade every day because the market is open. All right? This is about step-by-step NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. Wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about step-by-step NASDAQ 100 technical tips and tricks. Speak to you soon.